Hello, I'm Purvi Maru and I'm welcoming you all to my channel Food, Health and Acupressure, where we'll be talking about food and acupressure every Monday, Wednesday and Friday in Hindi and on every Sundays in English. Today we'll be talking about acupressure points for ADHD, Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder. ADHD or Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder is a brain health disorder that can cause hyperactive and impulsive behavior. People who are having ADHD problem may also have trouble focusing their attention in a single task or sitting still for a long period of time. Talking about symptoms, they may have trouble in focusing or concentrating on tasks. They may also forget to complete their task. They are easily distracted and they have difficulty in sitting still for a long period of time. Despite ADHD is a very common problem, but researchers still haven't found the exact causes. ADHD is believed to be a neurological disorder. Genetics may also be a cause of ADHD. Reduction of dopamine chemical in brain may also lead to ADHD. Now let us know about acupressure points. Before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe. And if you want to join my WhatsApp group, then do click on the link in the description box. And you can see over here, this is my Instagram account. I regularly post different acupressure points on that page. So if you want to follow it, you can definitely go and follow that page. So we will be discussing 4 acupressure points today on which you need to give massage or press on that points. So now let us know about the 4 acupressure points. So our first acupressure point is GV26. This point is located, see, it is located over here. Okay. So for that what you need to do is to fold your lips like this and then press this point properly for 1 to 2 minutes. See, like this, you need to press it in a circular manner. Press it for 1 to 2 minutes properly. See, like this. Second point is on the center of our eyebrows. See over here, this point is called as third eye chakra or yin tang. So press it properly for 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, you need to press it circularly. So our first point was over here. Second point is over here. Our third point is on our wrist fold. See over here. Very straight down from the ending of our small finger, and when it touches the wrist joint, just over there, this is our point. This point is called as H7, heart meridian 7th point. Okay, when you go straight from the tip of your small finger downwards towards the wrist joint, so over here is the point. Okay, this point is called as H7. So over here also on this point you need to press for 1 to 2 minutes properly. And our fourth point is 6 fingers above the navel. You can see over here I have uploaded the photo of it. Okay, this point is called as CV12. You need to take the 6 fingers measurement of the person who is having that problem. Okay, you need to press this point for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, press all these points properly. You need to press it in a circular way. Press all these points 2 to 3 times a day. You need to do it regularly to get better and faster results. Do this treatment daily, you will definitely find the results. So that's all for today. If you found my video good, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.